This is Viking. We're gonna hit that! Right, are you ready?
Where do you think I can go?
Oh shit!
Oh, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. May 7th. Oh yeah, sorry, some of you aren't from Hull and you're going to need some context behind that. In the morning, a bus got beached on the Queen's Road roundabout, a man tried to commit vehicular manslaughter down Chance, and then in the afternoon a lorry became wedged under Stone Ferry Road Bridge. When more than one main road closes in Hull, usually the entire city just turns into a 10-mile wide car park. The bus and lorry eventually got unstuck, but the woman who was ran over suffered life-altering injuries as the result of a believed domestic dispute. There's not much information right now from what I can find, but hopefully when the bloke gets sentenced in June, we'll get a positive update from the victim. Also, I take it back. What I said about London a few episodes ago. Hull ain't safe either. When SpongeBob writes his essay, yeah, we're changing speed a bit here.
Everyone must write an essay on what not to do at a stoplight.
Do you reckon he included decorating your rear view or putting your sun cream on? And then continue to do so once you set off again? Because realistically, the only thing you should be doing at a stoplight is observations.
Mate, I thought he was going to come into me. That's the only reason I swerved over. I'm sorry, mate.
An excellent spot and dodge, but I bet that bus driver and all the passengers on it were pissed. Emu with an equally speedy spot and reaction. You can never take your chances with a Duke. It's time to hand out the award for this month's donkey.
You f***ing donkey!
This clip of a driver undertaking at speed on the hard shoulder was sent to the police, who then caught the same driver for themselves sometime afterwards. In Northern Ireland, new drivers need to display an R plate for 1 year after they pass. That also means they can't exceed 45 miles an hour. Yeah, I think it's stupid too. So that also means they were essentially breaking the speed limit by double. Remember that driving is a privilege, not a right, and this guy really just screwed up his privilege. Big time. But you came away with a donkey award, so I hope it was worth it. Now though, we go from the young to the old, and I offer my sincerest preemptive apologies to a certain demographic of my audience, as we take a look at a senior moment. Beansack decides to just chill and see how long it takes this guy to realise that he's just plonked himself in the way of traffic. 24 seconds was the answer. At least he apologised. It seems like you guys really badly want to see me in a bald cap again because I've been sent a few more viewers' mistakes. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint, but I don't know where I put it and I'm not about to spend £8 on a new one, so no Ashley impression today, I'm afraid. But we are still going to be rating these clips. Anonymous. What can I say? You'll win the insurance claim, but you really don't deserve to, as the van turning across the occupied lane is what caused the collision, and not Anonymous simply continuing in their lane. However, the clues were there. Van driver gets a D for not checking his mirror, but Anonymous gets an F for flaw it and hope. I bet you drove home in complete silence after that one, didn't you? I'll give you a B purely for the impressive noise that it made. But choosing to go to a Burger King, you were kind of asking for something bad to happen sooner or later. K9 almost crashes his Cadillac. Seems the result of a horribly placed junction next to the one he's emerging from, as the roundabout looks completely clear from the approach. Possibly also the result of not checking the A-pillar or blind spot. The Land Rover gets an S for how much shit must be in their pants after having to slam on with a truck behind them. K9 gets a pat on the shoulder and 5% off lessons when he uses code Ashley Neal. Then humans aren't the only ones who can shit the bed while driving, believe it or not.
I don't know why. My mum's like, what was that?
A car scared of a crisp packet. Whatever next, man. Finally today, shout out to Termsy93, who used me moaning about trying to squeeze past his stanced rear wheels and turned it into his own content showing off his whip.
I don't know if I can fit past your car with the camber you've got on it.
I absolutely love stuff like this, especially the way he keeps Starlight playing after my clip. Also, I'm well aware of his captions, people. It's chill. Boring isn't even the worst thing I've been called today. But anyway, that's all we have time for today. If you like this video, please give it a like, please give me a sub. Remember to check out the links in the description. You can get 5% off Viofo, 25% off Red Tiger. You can come join us on Patreon. There's perks, free merch, there's the Discord server. There's plenty of goodies in the description, guys. Please go check them out. And we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace.
You can have that. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Yeah.